Now is time for the top 7 questions about eShipper. Does eShipper ship my packages? No, we do not ship your packages. This is a third-party logistics company. So what we do is we arrange, basically within the eShipper platform, we're able to provide you with the options to use all the major couriers at these discounted rates, and you're able to select whatever options you want to use. They'll be the ones picking it up from you and delivering it on our behalf. Where is eShipper located? Now, while we're located in Brampton, Ontario in Canada, you can use eShipper across North America to ship anywhere globally in the world and also receive packages from the rest of the world as well. Number 3, what services does eShipper offer? Basically, eShipper has many different options. You have courier, you have LTL, you have shipping cargo by plane or by boat, and you have pick and pack options. We have many different warehouses across North America as well, and there's many other options that you do have. Just let your account manager know what your shipping needs are, and we'll see if we can accommodate your needs. Is there any cost to using eShipper? No, there's absolutely no cost to using the platform whatsoever. You only pay for the shipments that you do, and that's all you'll ever be charged for. There's no monthly fees, there's no one-time fee, nothing like that. Number 5, I don't know anything about shipping. Can eShipper help? Absolutely. We're here to help you in your business and help you guys grow, whether you're a small or medium business. We're hoping to see that growth with you as well. So we're here to help you in that process, explain whatever you need explaining about shipping, and try to make the process as easy as possible for you. Number 6, do I have to drop off my packages? Absolutely not. Now, when we are doing over 5 million shipments a year, this is what we're able to agree with the couriers, and they'll be able to come to your business and pick up the packages for free in whatever time you select in that day. Number 7, what happens when a shipment is lost or damaged? With this, you don't have to worry. We have our whole claims department dealing with this specifically, so they will deal directly with each courier and try to get you the compensation that you deserve for any packages that are lost or damaged. Now, in the long run, this will certainly save you time in your own business, so you can get back to worrying about your business itself as opposed to dealing with small issues like this that could take you quite a lot of time dealing with. I hope this was able to answer some of your questions. Now, if you want to sign up on eShipper.com, use promo code 7860. Once again, that'll make me your account manager, Jeremy Davidson, and I'll be able to assist you in this process, get you up and running, and see what we can do for you.